Assalamualaikum, dear students. We have been studying conditional clauses from the last 5 days, and we have discussed so far zero conditional, which I said is also called present condition, and we studied first conditional, which is also called as will condition. Then we studied second conditional, which is also known as would condition, and today we are going to elaborate would have condition. It simply means we use would have in the result condition. It's also known as third conditional. So let's have a discussion over it. So the construction, the way we form such sentences is we have to use if plus past perfect tense. So we have two clauses, one that has the condition and the next which has the result in it. So it is cause and effect based, which I have already told you. So if plus past perfect tense, this will show the condition, and then the result will be shown in would have structure, would have. So we have a lot of examples, but before that we need to tell you we can use the third condition to talk about impossible conditions. Impossible conditions, नामुमकिन चीज़ें जो होती हैं उनके बारे में जब हम बात, बिल्कुल नामुमकिन, क्योंकि ये पास्ट में ऑलरेडी हुई होती हैं. That's why past cannot be changed. So impossible because they are in the past and we cannot change what has happened. So impossible, बिल्कुल impossible. So it's also called a regret clause. अक्सर ऐसी चीज़ों पर जब हमें जो चीज़ें हुई होती हैं और हमें पछतावा होता है, so while expressing our pashtawa, while expressing our regret, remorse, we often use sentences based on this structure, if plus past perfect tense, and then the result condition would have. So we have examples. See the first one, if I had worked harder at school. Had worked, past perfect tense. If I had worked harder at school, so what is the result? I would have got better grades. अगर मैंने स्कूल में मेहनत की होती तो मैंने अच्छे नंबरात लाए होते. ये इट्स रिग्रेट. सो चूंकि ऐसा किया नहीं है, इसने मेहनत की नहीं है और अच्छे मार्क्स आए नहीं है, सो दिस इज समथिंग वी कैन रिग्रेट अपॉन. So that's why it's an impossible thing now, and one has to regret on it. So if I had worked harder at school, past perfect tense, I would have got better grades. Would have. So this is the structure. Now there are some more examples. If I had had time, one had has been used in auxiliary verb and the next main verb. So had plus third form, had. If I had time, अगर मेरे पास वक्त होता, I would have gone to see him, तो मैं उसको मिलने जाता, but I didn't have time. लेकिन चूंकि मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है, this is also regret. If we had bought that house, अगर हमने वो मकान खरीदा होता, लेकिन खरीदा नहीं है, we would have had to rebuild the kitchen, तो हमें किचन नया बनाना पड़ता, लेकिन चूंकि नहीं है ऐसा. If we had caught the earlier train, अगर हमने सवेरे की ट्रेन पकड़ी होती, we would have got there on time but we were late, तो हम वक्त पर पहुंचे होते, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है, we were late and this can be regretted upon. So ये स्ट्रक्चर है, बहुत सिंपल है. पहले में हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, कंडीशन में इफ प्लस पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस एंड रिजल्ट कंडीशन, रिजल्ट क्लास जो है दैट्स एक्सप्रेस्ड इन वुड हैव. सो नाउ you have understood it well, but sometimes instead of would have, we can also use could. I also told you in the second conditional that instead of would we can use could and might. So similarly here we have some examples where we can use could and might. Notice that the main clause can contain would, could or might. For example, if I had seen him at the meeting, condition is as it is in the past perfect tense, had seen, past perfect. If I had seen him at the meeting, I would have asked him. मैंने अगर उसको वहाँ मीटिंग में देखा होता तो मैंने उसको पूछा होता, बता दिया होता, बट ही वॉजंट देयर सो आई डिडंट. क्योंकि वो वहाँ पर नहीं था इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया. रिग्रेट. इफ आई हैड सीन हिम एट द मीटिंग, इफ आई हैड सीन हिम एट द, वी कैन आल्सो से आई कुड हैव आस्क्ड हिम. तो हो सकता है मैंने उसे पूछा होता. इफ आई हैड सीन हिम एट द मीटिंग, आई माइट हैव आस्क्ड हिम. मैंने उसको पूछा होता. इट्स प्रोबेबली, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर, परहैप्स द अपॉर्चुनिटी हैड अराइज्ड. लेकिन मुझे यकीन नहीं, हो सकता है मौका मिलता ना मिलता, क्या पता. इफ आई हैड पेड मोर अटेंशन इन क्लास, मैंने ध्यान से पढ़ा होता, आई वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड द लेसन, तो मैंने शायद लेसन को समझा होता, बट दिस थिंग डिडंट हैपन, सो वन कैन रिग्रेट अपॉन. So it's very simple. I think we have almost done with it. So if there can be certain other things, you may please read and study a lot about it, because it's not possible for a teacher of any subject to explain everything, and particularly when we are physically away, it's not possible, because a teacher can understand the learner's needs when there is some one-to-one communication, but this lockdown has encaged us all, so we are away from each other. This is not possible, but now there are certain ways. We have the WhatsApp groups, we have the YouTube, we have Facebook. That's why I share these videos on my Facebook page, on WhatsApp groups, on the school where I'm studying in the school group. So I will request all the students, if you find any sort of inconvenience or difficulties where you are not able to understand me better, so you have every time the option to contact me the whichever the way you find convenient, and I will be at your disposal. So I think we have done with it. Conditional classes, I will be coming up with some other item very soon, inshallah ta'ala. So stay blessed and stay at home, maintain safe distance, because this is a viral infection that's going around, that has taken on the world. There's a very difficult condition now, so we have the only option left, that is we have to stay indoors and study. But we have to study, there's no other. For students particularly, we must not be away from our books, because only this can save us. If we are away from our books, if we do not study at this time, if we waste this time, this can never be repeated. Everything can be compensated, but not your loss of studies, loss of time. So I may request all of you to study well. Don't deceive your parents, don't deceive your community, don't deceive your nation. So everything you can do is, as a students, that you need to study, and you need to energize your brains, you need to warm up, you need to be well equipped with the knowledge and all that, because future is yours, present is yours. If you work hard, you may do better. If you don't work hard, if you don't work hard really, then there will be nothing left but regret. And regret, only those people regret who are not enough brave, who are not enough brave. So thank you very much this time. Thank you once again.